All right, with a 2015 kx450. The only problem that it has is, you know, we're gonna replace the chain because the chain is all the way stretched out. It's pushed all the way back, you know, to the limit. And as you can see, it was scraping the engine casing a little bit. So, and on top of that, it was missing like, you know, links out of the chain. Like right here, missing a few links. So we definitely gonna, you know, replace the whole chain. All right, so we got that chain put on. As you can see, nice and tight, not too loose. All right, y'all, one thing I noticed after I put the new chain on is that he missing 2 screws on the chain guide. So what I'm gonna do next is put those 2 screws in so his chain guard can stay, you know, on the swing arm, so that chain won't cut a hole through the swing arm. Then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, so another thing I did was put oil in the bike. You know, it was a little low on oil. And then I got those screws inside of the chain guide. So now he's definitely ready. Sounds strong. I got a nice idle.